What if you could turn a simple prompt into a fully illustrated video? No camera, no animator, and no editing timeline. That's exactly what Kevin did using Descript's Underlord visuals. He gave it a basic idea, and it brought the story to life. Here's Kevin to show you how it all came together.
In the video titled How I Use Grok 3 to Power Chat Workflows in N8N, I used Descript's Underlord visuals, a powerful AI feature that automatically generates hand-sketched scenes based entirely on your prompt. It's like having your own storyboard artist, motion designer, and animator all rolled into one. All I did was give it a simple prompt explaining how Grok 3 works inside an N8N automation. Underlord Visuals broke that down into scenes and auto-generated illustrations in a hand-drawn sketchbook style. I didn't upload anything, no stock, no graphics, just my prompt. What really surprised me was how well it handled the storytelling. It chose smart visuals, changed layouts to hold attention, and aligned everything with my overdub voice. It didn't just match my words, and it made them more engaging. This is perfect if you're creating tutorials, client explainers, or short educational pieces. You can go from prompt to publish, fully visualized, in one tool. If you're already using Descript, this unlocks a whole new layer of content creation. Want to see the full video that Underlord helped me create? It's linked right below. Mastering Grok 3 Chat Workflows in N8N. Everything in that video, from the visuals to the voice, was built using Descript's Underlord visuals. If you're looking for a smarter way to produce content, especially if you're already working with AI or automation tools, I highly recommend giving Underlord visuals a try. Drop a comment if you've used it or if you're planning to. And don't forget to subscribe and check out our community at school.com AI Auto Innovate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.